In this guide, a rising analyst shows how small daily choices compound into major career breakthroughs. She practiced active listening, summarized key points, and wrote clear next steps, turning a vague handoff into trusted momentum. Time management became leadership when she blocked her mornings for deep work and scheduled brief check-ins with teammates. Real leaders delegate with intent, matching tasks to strengths and celebrating small wins that build confidence and accountability. An anecdote from a late project night shows how concise updates, decisive ownership, and gratitude turned a setback into a quick comeback.